Last week I became friends with a really wonderful girl, and I went looking if more of them exist. In the first video, this poor sweet young waitress was crying because of a nasty excuse of a mother/Karen. The little girl on the right is my absolute hero.
Again, to me, the same food was terrible. No, okay, I don't care. Then maybe you should learn how to do your job, Jessica. Okay, because this is terrible. Sarah, you are never going to grow up to be like someone like this in a dead-end, crappy job. So, no, she doesn't work hard. She did a crappy job, and you're not eating that. This is awful. You should be so ashamed of yourself. No, okay, now just stop. Stop. Sarah, please stop being retarded.
Oh my God.
It's disrespectful. You should be. I am not being disrespectful. Time to make this food. Okay, so it's a Sarah. I'm a good mom. I just care about you. I just want you to have good You're just disrespectful. I hate you. That's why I like Sarah. Because Dad is way nicer than you are.
Oh my God.
He doesn't yell at the waiters like you do. I don't yell at the waiters. You just did. Are you kidding? Oh, your manager. Oh my God, Sarah. I just want you to enjoy I'm going with Dad. So I'll see you later. Have fun. Sarah, no, don't.
My next hero is a wonderful restaurant owner who rescues a child from horrible abusive parents.
A restaurant manager is being hailed as a hero for spotting what she said were signs of child abuse. An 11-year-old customer was sitting with his family at the Mrs. Potato in Orlando, Florida.
When the order came to the table, I observed that the boy was denied food. The man told me that no, that was everything okay, and the boy was okay, and he was gonna have his dinner at the night at home. This was super strange to me.
She noticed a bruise on the boy and created this secret sign to ask if he needed help.
I showed him, and he nodded his head yes. And I could saw that he was super quiet and sad.
She called 911.
Orlando Police 911.
We have some customers here with 2 kids. One of the kids is with a lot of bruises.
Police arrested the stepfather and he was charged with child abuse, and the mother was charged with child neglect and failure to protect the child. A trust account was created to support the children, and a GoFundMe has been created to honor the heroic efforts of the restaurant manager, who police say did the right thing by seeing something and saying something.
The last hero for today, a bride, was so nice to a little autistic girl who thought she was Cinderella on her way to the ball that they became friends.
Year-old Layla Lester loves to play princesses.
No, wait, talk to Cinderella.
In fact, nothing delights her more. So imagine the joy when Layla, who is autistic, saw one of her favorite characters come to Layla's mom, Jessica, says the woman her daughter now believes to be Cinderella is actually a heavy equipment operator from Western New York named Olivia Spark. Layla came to this conclusion after spotting Olivia here at Akron Falls Park on her wedding day. Layla made a beeline. Olivia not only welcomed Layla, she played along.
I was more than happy to be Cinderella for that little girl.
She talked to Layla for quite a while before finally telling her she had to get back to the ball.
But that's not the end of this fairy tale. Since their chance meeting, Cinderella has stayed in touch with her little Princess Charming, making Layla the happiest royal subject in the kingdom.
Hello. Hi, Cinderella. Hi. Come inside.
Olivia came over on this day in her wedding dress and at our request, but they see each other all the time now.
Come in, come in, come in.
It's an instant bond. They love each other. It's cute.
I'm so glad you're here.
Jessica says normally, Layla won't even talk to strangers.
Where's your slippers?
My slippers, I took them off.
But she has clearly made an exception for Cinderella, who, as it turns out, also has a little bit of fairy godmother in her. Olivia and her family have started a GoFundMe to send Layla to meet more princesses at Disney World.
There are so many wonderful people in the world. Become one of them. Be wonderful yourself to other people. Make this world a better place. Thank you, Mallory, for teaching me this again. Hi, I am Ivy and this here is my own channel. Ned and I put a lot of work in our videos and would really like to see our channel become bigger. So please, hit that like and subscribe buttons and ring that notification bell. We are not monetized, so get nothing from YouTube, but if you want to help us, please consider to help us at www.patreon.com/DutchHeretic. We want to do more, with better animations and shit. Your help will be very much appreciated.